In this section, I show you how to create this t-shirt design. At first, we add image and add artistic cutout effect in our image. Then we add some text and customize them. And finally, I add brush on this. Hopefully, you learn something new in this t-shirt design section. And using these techniques and use your creativity, you will be able to design much more t-shirts like this. So without any further delay, let's start it. At first, we create a blank document. To do this, click on File, choose New, and I set width 4500 pixel and set height 5400 pixel and choose resolution 300 and color mode I choose RGB and set my background color black. Now I hit on Create. Our blank document is created. In our next lecture, I import a new image in this blank document and add artistic cutout effect on it.